You're a dropshipper? You need EboxMan. EboxMan is a sourcing and fulfillment company and working directly with the factories. We have more reasonable price than other platforms, and we help you to check product quality. And we also shoot free for your ads video. Automatically fulfill and send the package information back to your store. Guarantee after shipping, refunds and reship if your package gets lost or there is some unqualified product. Suggesting great product from the market. Win-win business is our goal. Using EboxMan service, you will earn more in less time.